Gouache painting techniques for a Chinese cabbage. Composition arrangement. Use a tilted or vertical composition to emphasize the layers and structure of the cabbage. Leave some negative space to keep the composition airy, and avoid blending the background color too closely with the cabbage. Light and shadow rendering. Observe the light source to define highlights, shadows, and cast shadows. Highlights on the leaves can be reserved or accented with light yellow, while cool tones in the shadows add depth. Texture representation. Leaf section. Use flowing brush strokes to follow the natural growth of the leaves. Avoiding rigid lines. Soft edges can be achieved with wet and wet techniques to create a natural blending effect. Delicate veins should be outlined with a fine brush, incorporating subtle color transitions for a more dimensional look. Stem section. Focus on the smooth, thick texture by varying cool and warm tones to enhance volume. A semi-dry brush technique can help layer colors effectively, avoiding a flat appearance. Color application. Leaves, predominantly green, but incorporating yellow, blue, and even purple adds vibrancy. Stem. Instead of pure white, mix in light yellow, green, or purple tones to reflect environmental colors. Shadow. Instead of dull gray or black, introduce ambient hues for a more harmonious integration with the scene. Brushwork and detail handling. Begin with broad strokes to establish color masses and light-shadow relationships. Then refine details with medium and fine brushes. Use flicking or small dry brushes to create natural leaf edges. Highlights on the stem should be applied with clean white paint to enhance freshness and moisture.